Norway is an important country in Europe known for its stunning natural landscapes, including fjords, mountains, and the northern lights. It has a strong economy, largely driven by oil, gas, and renewable energy. Borders. Norway shares land borders with two countries, 1. Sweden to the east, 2. Finland to the northeast, 3. Russia to the far northeast. Norway's long coastline along the North Atlantic Ocean also plays a significant role in its economy and culture. Norway is important for several reasons. 1. Natural resources. It is one of the world's largest producers of oil and natural gas, which significantly contributes to its economy and global energy supply. 2. Environmental leadership. Norway is a leader in renewable energy, particularly hydropower, and is committed to sustainability and combating climate change. 3. High quality of life. The country consistently ranks high in global quality of life indices, with strong social welfare systems, education, and healthcare. 4. Cultural heritage. Norway has a rich cultural history, known for its contributions to art, literature, and music, as well as its Viking heritage. 5. Strategic location. Its location in Northern Europe makes it an important player in Arctic affairs and geopolitical discussions. 6. Tourism. Norway's stunning landscapes, including fjords and the northern lights, attract millions of tourists each year, boosting its economy.